ꯑꯅꯥ ꯑꯌꯦꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯇꯧꯏ꯫ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯕ ꯌꯨꯇꯨꯞꯁꯦ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯀꯦꯀꯣ꯫ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯏ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ꯫ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯁꯤ 2014ꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯅꯦꯄꯥꯜꯒ ꯚꯨꯇꯥꯟꯒꯗ ꯇꯨꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯏ꯫ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯨꯇꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤꯀꯣ꯫ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯨꯙꯤꯁ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯡ ꯕꯣꯜꯗꯨꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯇꯤꯕꯦꯇꯤꯌꯟ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯡ ꯕꯣꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯣꯔꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯜꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯃꯒ ꯏꯁꯇꯤꯛꯁꯤꯃꯒ ꯁꯤꯒ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯜꯂꯁꯤ ꯕꯣꯜꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ꯫ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯈꯣꯟꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤꯀꯣ꯫ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ Hi Jennifer, Brisbane. Let's see. Yeah, this is a Tibetan singing bowl. This is type of music you can use. Even they use this sound in a meditation when they meditate. See Amuka. Next. So why is my mong different song? You can check the sound. Want to listen one more? So Brisbane, Jennifer, where are you from? Again. See. Oh. Still. I'm from India. Hi, how are you, Cheslin? I'm good. I'm from India. Another, have you seen this one? You know what is this? This is a frog, like a frog. This frog, tell me what is this? Yes, just remove. Depend on sound, like this or yes, you're right. Thank you. Like this? Is it okay? Yes. Thank you very much. Yes. I forgot from where I brought this. It's maybe from North or South America, something like that. And hope everyone like this. So like put yes, Tibetan singing bowl. Thank you very much, Jennifer. Another actually so for today I'm going to I didn't see okay, see today now already 8:45 p.m. in India. Thank you. So are you musician, Jennifer? Thank you very much for subscribe, like and comment. ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ? Hi Cheslin, where are you from? Cheslin Winkworth. My eye little problem because of a power. Thank you, Jennifer. So for today I'm going to finish my life because I live in a village in India, so it is almost late. It's around 9, quarter to 9. So yeah, quarter to 9 means too much. So I'm going to have my dinner. See you tomorrow, same time. Namaste.